Make sure all parts are included and undamaged. Decide your shelf placement and note the desired height. Place the first wall bracket at the desired height on the wall. Level the bracket and mark the mounting holes. Drill a hole at least 1 5/8 inches deep in the center of each mark using a 3/8 inch masonry drill bit. Insert the threaded bolt into the bottom of the sleeve anchor. Push the anchor into the drilled mounting hole. Repeat for all 4 holes. Next, place the mounting bracket with the loops facing up over each threaded bolt and then install a flat washer, lock washer, and hex nut over each bolt in that order. Use a 10mm wrench to ensure that the hex nuts are tightened so that the mounting bracket is flush with the wall. Use a tape measure and level to determine where to install the second mounting bracket based on the shelf size. Repeat the same steps for the second mounting bracket. Once both brackets are secure, install the shelf by inserting the corners over each of the loops on the mounting brackets. Test the shelf weight and ensure it is level. Your assembly is now complete.